Welcome to our beginner's guide on how to build an app for classrooms. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a digital tool that can enhance the learning experience for both students and teachers. No prior programming experience is required, so let's get started. The first step is to define the purpose of your classroom app. It could be anything from a digital whiteboard to a quiz app or a scheduling tool. List down the essential features you want to include, as they will guide your development process. Next, decide which platform you want to build your app for. You can choose between a web app, a mobile app, for iOS or Android, or a desktop app. Consider your target audience and your own programming skills when making this decision. If you're new to programming, don't worry. Start by learning the fundamentals. Some popular programming languages for app development include JavaScript, Python, Swift, and Kotlin. These languages are beginner-friendly and widely used in the industry. Front-end development is all about creating the user interface. For web and mobile apps, you'll need to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These technologies allow you to design and structure the visual elements of your app. To add functionality and manage data, you'll need to learn back-end development. Consider using languages like Node.js or Python's Django framework to handle server-side operations. Databases are crucial for storing and retrieving data. Get familiar with databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MongoDB to ensure seamless data management in your app. If your app requires user accounts, implement user authentication to secure sensitive information. This step ensures that only authorized users can access certain features. A user-friendly and visually appealing interface is essential for any app. Use design tools like Adobe XD or Figma to create mockups and bring your app to life. Before launching your app, thorough testing is a must. Identify and fix any bugs or issues that might affect the user experience. Remember, testing is a crucial part of app development. Congratulations! You've built your classroom app. Now it's time to publish it on app stores for mobile apps or deploy it on web servers for web apps. Share your creation with the world. And that wraps up our beginner's guide to building an app for classrooms. We hope you found this video helpful and feel inspired to start your app development journey. Remember, practice and continuous learning are the keys to becoming a skilled app developer. Happy coding!